Hi, in this video I will tell you how to create a new independent portal in the Shape Portal camera system in the URP HDRP variant. This process is almost the same as in the case of built-in, but with some small nuances. Let's make duplicates of the portal, render textures, respawn points, cameras, cubes, pointing lines and place them on the scene where necessary. You can rotate the portal in different ways, globally or locally. The main thing is not to forget about portal enter area. We set the portal and the respawn point in the portal system controller so that teleportation works when a character collides with portal enter area. The portal has a plane with a shader called Render View Texture. In URP HDRP, the shadow is the same shader, but with some changes. Therefore, unlike the built-in version, we additionally create a duplicate of the shadow material. First, we make copies of the materials for the new portal. We pass new values and new copies of objects to the WallGAM object renderer controller script. Login is the name for tracking messages in the debug. Cam, a camera that will show the location of the respawn point. Main is a flag that enables checking the visibility of portals by the character's camera. Next, it is need to pass the necessary data to the camera of the new portal and to the script WallGAM portal texture transfer. We do the same for render view texture shadow. This is the same shader, everything is like the portal shader, only it exists as a shadow. It is important that the shadows of the portal material should be disabled and the shadows of the shadow material should be enabled. If you see two shaders in the render texture after assigning the material, don't worry, this will be corrected below when the render texture is passed to the portal and shadow shaders. Unlike the built-in variant, the render texture should be passed to the shader, not to the shader code. Therefore, we pass the render texture to the portal material and to its shadow material to the camera opaque textured cell. Set the camera so that it shows the respawn point from the desired angle. Next, just check how teleportation works and configure the view of portal. In this case, we create a portal form based on the alpha channel of the trefoil. You can easily create portals of any shape based on the examples in the textures folder. Let's see what can be changed in the shader settings to achieve the desired effect. To get rid of texture repetition, you need to set the wrap mode clump parameter to all portal textures. There is no shadow on-off flag in URP HDRP shaders, as is the case with built-in. Here the shadow is just a separate object on the scene that can be hidden or shown. The settings of the portal shader must be identical in the shadow shader settings, so that the shadow absolutely matches the shape of the portal. To quickly pass all the parameters of the portal shader to the shadow shader, use the copy material properties and paste material properties commands. If you have any questions, please send email the author.